Hello everyone, welcome to Study Zone. Today I am going to explain the exercise problems that I have given you before. So let us solve this. So there are P, Q and R, three values, right? So for three variables, 2 to the power 3 which is equal to 8 rows. So there are 8 rows here. So to fill the 8 rows, first we have to take the pth row, that is 4 consecutive true and then 4 consecutive false. That is true, 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 true and then false, 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 false. And then for Q, we have to take 2 consecutive true and then 2 consecutive false. Here 4 consecutive true and then 4 consecutive false. And here 2 consecutive true and 2 consecutive false. True, true, false, false, true, true and then false, false. In R, we have to change true, false, true, false, true, false like this. So after filling P, Q and R column, then we have to solve the first compound proposition, that is left hand side compound proposition. So in left hand side compound proposition, we have to solve the first thing that is inside the bracket, correct? So the thing inside the bracket is not Q or R. So negation of Q. Negation of Q means true, true, false, false. So false, false. True, true, false, false, true, true. And then negation of Q or R. So true, false. Or means plus. So true plus false, true. False plus false, false. True plus true, true. And then false plus true. What will happen? True. And then true plus false. True. False plus false, false. True plus true, true, true plus false. That is also true. Done. And then we have to solve the whole compound proposition. P and not Q or R. So P and this one. So true into true is true. True into false, false. And then true into true, true. True into true, true. And then true into false, false. And then false into false. That is also false. True into false. Again false and then true into false is false. So we have completed the first compound proposition and then again jump to next compound proposition. For this first we have to write the negation of P. Negation of P means here 4 consecutive trues and 4 consecutive false. Here for negation write 4 consecutive false first and then 4 consecutive true next. So false, 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 false. True, 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 true. And then negation of P or Q. So addition, false plus true, true, false plus true, true. And then false plus false, false, false plus false, false. And then true plus true, it is true. And then true plus true, it is also true. And then true plus false, that is true. Again true plus false, true. So then we have to negate the whole P or Q. So false, false, true, true, false, 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 false. Done. So let us take this as S for our convenience, and then what we have to do here, S and R. So S and R, and means multiplication, true into false, false, and then false into false, false. Again true into true, true, true into false, false, true, that is false, false into true, that is false, and then false into false, false, and then false into true is false, again false into false is false. Now we get the first compound proposition and second compound proposition truth values. Now we have to check the biconditionality of first compound proposition and second compound proposition. So do you remember the biconditional rules? If both the statements are either true or false, then it will become true. In all other condition, what will happen? It will become false. So true, false. Biconditionality, false. And then here false, false. Here two truth values are false, right? True. And then true, true, which means true. Then true, false, 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 true, false, false, true, false, false, true, false, false, true. So here there is a mixture of both false and true. False, true, true, false, true, 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 true. So if there is a mixture of true and false, which one is that? It is contingency. So this truth value is contingency. So here is the explanation about the exercise problem. So the final answer is contingency. Thank you.